So you want to grow on YouTube in 2025? Forget everything you thought you knew, because YouTube's algorithm just changed, and this time, it's smarter. We're talking AI-powered recommendations, search-based shorts rankings, and content scans that actually read your script. This isn't guesswork. These are confirmed shifts straight from YouTube insiders and the creators who are already winning with them. If you're stuck at 100 views or chasing your first 10K subs, this video is your blueprint. No fluff. Just how the algorithm really works and what you need to do now. Let's break it down, step by step, so you can finally stop uploading in the dark and start growing with precision. Let's get into it. YouTube in 2025 isn't just a video platform. It's a full-blown search engine powered by AI. The opportunity? Massive. But the game has changed. Creators who adapt fast are going viral with 0 subscribers. Others, still grinding with no results because they're playing by 2022 rules. Now is the best time to start. You don't need fancy gear, editing skills, or a face on camera. You just need to understand how the algorithm works and how to make content it actually wants. Because once you do, views, subs, and income can grow on autopilot. YouTube now wants content it can categorize easily. So picking a niche isn't optional. It's algorithm fuel. Think of YouTube like a librarian. It wants to know exactly what you're about so it can recommend you properly. So here's what works. Pick a niche that solves problems or answers questions. Finance, productivity, gaming tips, self-improvement. These are evergreen and binge-worthy. Avoid trying to do it all. If you make a cooking video one week and a tech review the next, YouTube has no clue who to show your stuff to. Instead, go deep on one topic. Even better, create a sub-niche. Not just fitness, but home workouts for busy dads. Not just money, but AI side hustles. The tighter the niche, the faster you grow, because the algorithm knows where to push you. Start with 3 to 5 content pillars. Same niche, different angles. That's how you build trust with the audience and the algorithm. Before you hit record, your channel setup matters more than ever. Why? Because the 2025 algorithm reads everything: your title, description, and even your script. Here's your launch checklist. 1. Name and branding. Choose a clear, niche-specific channel name. Think AI Hustle Zone or Budget Boss Finance. Make a clean logo and matching banner using Canva. 2. About section. YouTube's AI scrapes this for keywords. Mention your niche, your value, and what viewers will get from your videos. 3. Keywords and tags. Use TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find trending terms. Add these to your channel tags, about page, and pinned comments. 4th, series format. The algorithm now favors series, not random uploads. So plan 5 videos with a similar style, title structure, and niche focus. Think, how to start an AI, number 1, number 2, number 3. 5. Custom URL and playlists. Unlock a custom URL early and organize your content into playlists, each with keyword-rich titles. The cleaner and more focused your setup, the faster YouTube learns what you're about and starts recommending you to the right viewers. New to YouTube? Great, because the 2025 algorithm actually favors new creators who play the game right. Here's what's working best for beginners. 1. Faceless videos. You don't need to show your face. Use tools like Pictory, Gling AI, or HeyGen to turn scripts into clean videos fast. Add stock footage, AI voiceovers, or even animations. 2. Repeatable formats. Don't reinvent the wheel. Find a format you can rinse and repeat. Examples: Top 5 tools, Best AI hacks, or Day in the life with X. 3. Shorts. First strategy. Shorts dominate discovery now. Create vertical videos under 60 seconds answering questions or solving tiny problems. They can bring 10,000 plus views, even with 0 subscribers. 4. Low tech. High value. Use simple editing tools. Focus on scripting, pacing, and clarity. People stay for value, not effects. Fifth test, fast upload weekly. Check analytics. Double down on what gets clicks and retention. You don't need experience. You need consistency. The algorithm rewards creators who show up, even if it's simple content. So start scrappy. Improve as you go. Your first video sets the tone. But don't overthink it. Just follow this formula. 1. Find a keyword. Use YouTube Trends or Answer the Public to find real questions people are searching. Example: how to make money with ChatGPT in 2025. Second, script it smart hook in the first 5 seconds, then deliver in steps or tips. End with a quick summary and CTA like, subscribe for more weekly AI tips. 3. Record faceless, use screen recordings, stock footage, or AI avatars. Tools like Gling AI or Descript can clean up audio and edit fast. 4. Add visuals, overlay titles, graphs, or relevant B-roll. Use tools like CapCut or Canva for free assets. 5. Title and thumbnail. Keep the title searchable. Use power words like best, fast, secrets. For thumbnails, big text, bold colors, emotional faces, even on faceless channels. Don't chase perfection, chase completion. The sooner you publish, the faster you learn. And your first video? It's just the beginning of your data-driven strategy. Uploading isn't just hitting publish. It's your algorithm handshake. Here's your 2025 upload checklist. 1. Title. Use search-friendly phrasing. Think: best AI side hustles. No experience needed. 2. Description. Add 2 to 3 paragraphs with keywords naturally. Include links to your playlist or next video. 3. Tags. Use all 500 characters. Mix short-tail and long-tail keywords. 4. Thumbnail. Test 2 versions with TubeBuddy A/B testing. 5. Chapters. Break your video into timestamps for watchability. 6. CTA comments. Pin a comment with your playlist or next video. 7. Community post. Tease your upload with a poll or behind-the-scenes image. This boosts early traffic. 8. Shorts. Remix. Cut a 30-second short from your main video to attract new traffic. The algorithm favors complete packages. So upload with intention, not just speed. Monetizing in 2025 goes beyond ads. Start with YouTube Partner Program, but stack income with affiliate links, digital products, and brand deals. Even faceless channels are landing sponsors. If your content solves problems, focus on value first. Monetization follows. If you've made it this far, respect. Here's the truth. The 2025 algorithm isn't your enemy. It's your greatest opportunity. Because now, YouTube rewards smart structure, clear value, and consistency. Not big budgets or flashy edits. So focus on one niche. Repeatable formats, smart titles, real solutions. Every upload is data. Every tweak compounds. And with the new tools out there, from AI editors to auto scripts, there's never been a better time to start. You don't need luck. You just need a system. So go build it. Thanks for watching. If even one tip helped, drop a like so others can find this. Subscribe for weekly breakdowns on YouTube automation and AI growth. Let's grow smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.